How to publish a website on Wix. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to publish a website on Wix. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your wix.com and you will open up the dashboard. So here we are on our dashboard, and what you need to do is you need to select the website you want to publish. So I have selected this one, and now I will click on edit site and it will take me to my editor right here on Wix. So what you guys need to do is you just have to edit your website. We have all of these different options given. And then we have the publish option right here at the top corner of the screen. Just click on publish and your website will be published in seconds. So that's how easy it is to publish a website on Wix. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.